Tiger, she gone for true. She fly out. She do fly out and them are gone too. Here, Tiger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, see that's confirmation and fly out on the 5th of January 2026 for true. She just got around the look while I just call her, ask her for going there for me, and she said yes. That's where she at right at the moment, and her shop is closed.
I got a shop being anyway. Somebody has said a mistaken identity. The woman has said a mistaken identity. So she sleep them out.
Hold on. So Sean, in your opinion, right? What do you think what the woman say about Jayden?
Well, to me not think she did tell no lie, because when I me sure of the picture, me sure with my own hand them, I me sure. And she said, Jesus Christ, no, the little boy, me see this morning. And I say, you sure? And she said, yes. So me call the officer, because police was there. And I say, officer, the lady, I say, she see Jayden, right? And she there talk to the police, and I tell the police exactly what she tell me before. So the police them they take her information and something. And we see some elderly people, so elderly people them say them are go see, look out for him, because it's a housing scheme. It's a housing scheme, so you know, say he fly past there, so them are go see. And most of the people them not even come out of their house and have camera all over.
So this is what... Go on.
What you say, Tiger, me fi walk around and Jean? I'm gonna call my sister and I get her.
So because let me tell you something, Sean. May I tell you the honest truth? I don't feel like nobody said Jayden after Friday. I don't believe it. I think all of these sighting is mistaken identity, and that's my honest belief. Because
but remember the first somebody was seeing me now. Remember the first somebody was seeing it was a man, and he in the rain. That's why.
That was Friday though. The man seen Friday.
Yeah, that's why Uncle Brother them end up and reach a Perth Road Saturday morning. That's
but
why
where the man see him Friday, Perth Road.
Perth Road. The man seen Perth Road. The man was on his veranda, and he see me in the rain.
How that the man that get to tell Uncle Brother Friday evening?
I call in call. I don't know who in call, you know. I don't know who in call.
Lie them a tell, Sean. Lie them a tell. Because them alone get them a weird sighting and call. Lie them a tell. Wicked.
But none of them, because Sean said, no, Tiger, hold on. Because Sean, she said she are the person who showed the lady the morning. This is just a random person. So this is the lady that look like she have no ties with them or whatever. Because this is a random person where she sleep on the road.
You can't mistake though, Shanda, because at the end of the day, what picture of Jayden did they show? Little boy can look like little boy. Did Shanda have a up-to-date version of picture of Jayden? Because of this picture alone, me say.
Morning, Joy.
The only day she wear glasses, we don't know. I never disappear. I know Jayden I say. I don't believe so, because them take gun off her cross and when the little boy then say Jayden, only to find out the wrong tie the little boy I wear. School pick a uniform, I see him color uniform, the little boy gonna wear, but I'm not Jayden. All woman that lied.
But me not say the person lie, but when me I said then, if she had say up there, so the whole of the people them a be a big house up there, and the people them should have camera upon them. Or where the police them did do with that information there. That's why me ask her if I will if a police there, because the police them shouldn't have go house to
them
house.
Not get no camera. Them don't get no camera view. They do not get any camera view because the people them decide say they in camera and not work.
Everybody camera and I work on that
That's
road.
That's what I'm telling you.
That not make no
Everybody
sense,
tomorrow
no.
now work. Everybody. So them
And this before
Sonia,
the storm.
and Jean over there. And Jean. Eh? You don't know if Angie over here. May I get 100 and you tell me if you over there. You over there?
Yes.
And me 100 you want. Who? See 100 for true. What? Me so come, me I go look for Angie. Here's the Angie over yard. But I've been calling my sister and can't get her.
Yeah, Sean, you come throw me off now to backside.
Yeah, throw me off because I don't believe say Jayden was seen after Friday evening. I don't believe so.
That's why, Tiger, that's why I'm saying. If me and some people can just go back, see if we can get back the same information. Can you remember where lady live?
You remember where the lady
You remember
live?
where the lady live? Yeah, remember where
Price
the lady
can
live?
carry you. Price, are you up for it?
Alright, people, let me tell you something. Right? So me share a link from the very first time when Jayden just go missing. And I wanna know this stand we Sean take. And we don't have the same opinion, but we can with the help of Uno, we can organize and get some fare and some lunch and get some money and make Sean and Price link up so them can start do the groundwork for us, so we start get immediate information.
Morning,
You understand?
welcome.
And when
Morning,
when me
welcome.
say,
Morning, honey.
this
I
is
miss
the
you.
problem we have. Well, I'm gonna tell you something. And me not like hypocrite people. You see, last week when I said I want to all we organize, I will buy some party and some ray for the march, and we organize, I will do one GoFundMe, but we can use the GoFundMe if we do the things that we need to get done, and the private investigation and all them things. Everybody run up and down on TikTok and beat me and say me broke and me pick them now have no food for them and this and that, but everybody else I do GoFundMe and I do the same thing when them a beat me say me nothing do because me poor and poverty, and me say all me say we need to have a GoFundMe where we want people to go and get some information. We want people to go there, so we want people to go there, so we take it out of the GoFundMe so we can get immediate information. And when I say me I go do it, me get beaten, oh me a bum and me a this and me a that. But I just feel like it's hard if we have somebody, look, we just phone her this morning and she should go and make home any stretch. The same thing goes to Price. We phone them, but I said we need to organize a GoFundMe so we can give them for at least them petrol and them thing there. You understand? Everybody else, when everybody else I do GoFundMe, if you go build house and go do this and go do that, it's fine. If me come on TikTok and tell you at the top of the screen, me get beat in the feet. So you have to ask the question, what are we all here for? You understand? Me say people, me say people I say, oh them want this, them want that, and them are this and that. But me want to ask the question. The same thing when me say uno beat me and call me bum and bring on me pick them in night. But uno do the same thing. The same thing when me I do, uno cost me say me nothing do, because all I'm saying, make we have a GoFundMe so we have something where we want one video, one place and some picture. We can say Price, hey, see your fare, hey, see your lunch, go down there go get this and make we get it. We can say Shan is a family, Shan is a cousin. So who is better if we have, because Shan supposed to can go to any authority where we send her to and come up with real-time information and come give it. You understand? She should, and if everybody will say, okay, we're on the mission to save our children them. It don't have to just be Jayden now. We can't have a next case but we need somebody for do a session. We need if we go over so go do this. Okay, we can get this on it. Let us have it. But no, me people come and say they want to go build house, they want to go fund me for this, they want to go fund me for that, and they beat me the same thing. Because you know why? Everybody want to do this to be the first person who do this. I don't care who first, second, last, and third. I don't business. If we are on a mission, we are on a mission. So if it's alright with Uno, I am going to set up a GoFundMe. And because when they put in a GoFundMe, you see how much money collected, so much money is there, you see whatever. And we are going to use the GoFundMe for 3 reasons. Because I still would like to get a private investigator. I will still need to have money to give to Shan and Price. So I will ask them to go do something. I look up on Price page. Nobody ever give Price a penny. And Price go up green, what do you think? Green Pharmacy.
Angels Pharmacy.
But we can't see. Shanda just call Shan, look why she walk from our place, go around and look and give you concrete information. So yes, the crocodile fly out from the 5th of December, January 2023. So when we attack, and that's a problem with the people who have with a live stream here, we seek out information that is fact. You know, come run me mouth and tell us this and tell us that. You understand? So when people are running up and down and I beat me, and me don't understand people. Me don't understand. I don't allow them to do it, but me not go over the Saturday because me not hold a pagan. But I'm just saying, somebody sent me a screen recording yesterday, and me hear people I do go fund me if you build a house, 3-bedroom house and 5-bedroom house and this and that. But I am saying that's the same thing. I didn't do no go fund me if you help the mother, you know. I didn't do no go fund me if you help her. But what I'm saying, let the whole everybody who decides to yeah, we want to see better for our children them. Everybody come. $1, $2, $3, it doesn't matter. Them beat me, go them beat me, come then jaggle me pick me night. But yet still they are doing the same exact thing. Tell me that God alone can wear the cross and be free. Tell me, say God alone can bear the cross and the whole world of it. Let me even talk about me no beard, me one shirt when me have. What that have to do with me? This is
so far me have a come call up Angie.
No, seriously. What that have? Let me tell you something.
Angie, no, say sun hot.
You know what? But guys, what me I gonna do? I gonna set up one GoFundMe so we can use it for do the things that we need for do on the ground.
You don't know me name about one lady. A Melody. Oh, you know? Nero Bardo.
Peter Wagwan.
Oh, Lisa there. Lisa them over. Boss, queer. Can't go in a rum bar, not my style. Can't go in there.
Tiger, you know the only thing when me have with this no Tiger me I say. If I don't want to hear this now, but if right, if Jayden run away and them say Jayden like them say Jayden run away and they up a prayer or Jayden wouldn't act in a somebody else.
Angie, come here.
Shut up. They didn't just say Jayden was seen at Perth Road only, you know. That's why me personally believe say it's misidentification. They said he was also seen on Wesley, a Wesley driver, Wesley Road. A prominent hairdresser that I know in Mandeville. So one of our workers see him. Them say teacher see him. Farm store. The hairdresser said their friend see him on a lane. Farm store owner see him down Wesley Road. Teacher see him at the back of Wesley Road to go down to DC. So it's like about 4 or 5 sighting them see. Each sighting was in different location.
10 o'clock. Right at the school gate.
Shan something so low.
Police give them until 1.
So reach 1 o'clock today, I feel like
Left on the school gate itself?
That's a belief.
but two of them one fat one and one slim one.
Yeah, me did see
Add
them.
my back,
I
add my
see
back.
two
Me a come
police
and
them,
pang
but
with my other.
never know, so they ain't good no time.
That's 7 till 12 they look
Oh.
yeah, woman
That's a
still
mad
tell
power.
yeah, give up. Somebody pick them and tell them say they must report.
Alright, Ocean.
So they must stop it and make Jayden soul rest in peace.
Oh.
They all have face with the people they will find the protest.
So what no plan to do different?
Team motto. You're not team member. That's enough for them, you know. Because I get the liar.
Motor get the liar.
So the liar have to tell you what to do. You can't go behind the other.
Oh, so where liar come from?
Overseas.
Oh.
She get every information and stuff.
Okay.
Maybe she get all the police send to the head office. She get everything from the side. Okay. Team motto them get people so them pay the liar fee.
Or them play a liar fee?
And I mean, I tell you the truth. I say people overseas and people have people just look at me. They're concerned a lot. Yeah, I'm such
In the order?
yeah, one time I left her so yesterday about 10 o'clock in sleep.
So what him a do? Uncle Paula do?
Come like him take it to her, mama.
So nobody no come over here and talk to you about nothing? How long?
I think it's a joke. I got my grandfather for now Saturday. So I say maybe.
I Friday me say no. And you say I sat there funeral, I'm everywhere.
Yeah, one time I go put up the posters.
Yeah, that's a Friday.
So you say, you have something to tell me. I have a number too. So you have something to tell me. One time I call him now, we meet now at a jewelry shop and he say, Angie, the blogger there might give me trouble.
Who said that? Chico.
So he mash up that the phone, he might die one mix.
So which blogger give him trouble?
I don't know. So me get have a number. But I'm reach out at the shop and she don't have nothing to do with Jayden missing case. And me pay for graduate from better and make everything. So the time people are talking, they love me people. I don't know what happened to you. Then they say, where the auntie then? They say, they can't.
Yeah, just find out so then fly out.
Brother meeting accident with them.
Brother meeting accident? When?
I went to Chico. Sunday.
Sunday brother meeting accident?
He say no dangerous, you know. Just crash.
What's happened?
Crash it with the man. They tell too much to watch my phone there. So like Valentine's Day now, I don't want them put this red t-shirt and so. I just show himself still missing. They let them, I don't know if it's same, I don't know where they still I wonder. I remember say the last spirit road with it.
Yeah, man.
If they have a clue. If they just have a clue.
True.